If you are looking for reports on individual students, so maybe a special education teacher is looking for a report to include in an IEP meeting or EL, or maybe you're just trying to figure out where a particular student is for a parent meeting. The way that you're going to access that for an individual student, and students have access to these as well, they're going to click on the word students. You're going to type in their last name, and I have example student here. We're going to bring up that example student. Affiliations is being able to put them in other classes. Grade 9, 10, 11. So the student has taken CERT in grades 9, 10, and 11. If you want to see last year's data, we would go to spring, and you would be able to see spring. If they have any real scores, you'd be able to see them there. But we want this fall, we would like to look at those reports. So we have a course report, and we look at the course report. It'll give us scores. It'll give us a projection for ACT. It'll tell us what questions they got correct and incorrect. You can kind of look to see, well, probably the blanks just mean that they didn't answer the question. It also gives you some detailed results here, and it gives you some easy, medium, and hard. How are we doing in that area, and things like that. Then when you go back, you also have access to a readiness standards. So this would give you college readiness standards and where they are falling in with those specific standards. You also have the ability to go to skill breakdown. So this would kind of help classify that, and you can change your report here as well. And we've got one more, a grade comparison. And so this will give you how they compare to others in their grade, which I've not ever seen that one before, so I don't know a whole lot about that particular report. But so those are some things that you can, reports that you can print. If in the course they have done quizzes, you're able to tell maybe they've reviewed some things and then you had them take a few quizzes in specific areas that you've been working. So those are some reports that you have access to.